On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson prepares seared bacon Brussels sprouts. This is a quick and simple way to elevate a simple vegetable to the star of any meal. If there are any Brussels sprout skeptics out there, this recipe might turn you into a fan. First things first, we chop. Before we do anything, we need to cook some bacon. Cook one slice until it's nice and crispy. Dry it and dice it. Next, heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Once hot, drop in the halved Brussels sprouts, followed by the sliced onions, the sliced red bell peppers, and of course, the minced garlic. Season everything with a half teaspoon of black pepper and, if you like things a little spicy, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes. Sear the vegetables until they're at a desirable level of softness. Remove the pan from the heat and top with our bacon. Yum! And just like that, seared bacon Brussels sprouts that are fit to eat. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talked with Chef Martha Hall-Foose, a James Beard award-winning chef and author. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.